Nothing beats the taste of homemade applesauce, especially when it's guilt-free and super easy to make. All you need are just apples, lemons, and water. Adding sugar is optional, but usually it's not needed as the apples are sweet enough. No idea what to use applesauce for? Add to baked goods to replace oil or replace eggs to make vegan pancakes. Check out the link in the description box for vegan pancakes with applesauce. First thing first, place the apple on a cutting board with the stem facing up. Place the apple core on the center of the apple, or skip this step if you don't have one and core the halves with a knife in the next step. Twist the blade around in a circle to cut out the core. Peel the apples with a vegetable peeler or a knife. Cut the apple in halves, and then place the halves cut side down on the cutting board and slice them vertically. Then rotate the apple slices on the board and make a similar cut as before, cutting them in 1-inch cubes. Repeat this process with the rest. Add the cubes to a large saucepan, and as the apples can easily oxidize now and turn brown, I'm adding the lemon juice to the pan to prevent this, and also to add some extra sweetness. You can add the juice of half of an orange to add some extra flavor. Add the water and bring to a boil over medium-high heat. Once the water starts to boil, stir everything with a spoon and cover with a lid. Let simmer for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, remove the lid and stir with a spoon. Continue simmering for 10 minutes. After this step, the apple should become soft. You can check with a fork. If they are not soft yet, let simmer for some additional time. If they are soft, remove the pot from heat and mesh with a potato masher or a fork. And if you like your applesauce on the chunky side, don't mash them fully. If you prefer a smooth consistency, mash until very smooth. Transfer the hot applesauce to a jar. Leave some headspace and close the lid. When I close the lid, I leave the jar upside down on the table. You can store the jars unopened in the fridge or in a cold place for a week or in the freezer for up to 3 months. And there it is! Super easy, beginner-proof, homemade applesauce without adding any extra sugar. The applesauce only contains the natural sugar in the apples and is a perfect and healthy alternative to sugar-loaded applesauce in the store. You can use it as such, sprinkle some cinnamon on top, or use it to replace oil in baking, or for vegan recipes to replace the eggs. You can find a very great recipe for vegan blueberry pancakes where I use this sauce to replace eggs in the description box below. Hope you enjoyed this easy and quick recipe for homemade sauce with different kinds of apples. Hope to see you around next time.